Kain lang din yan siya.
Uy, kamang na uy.
Ah, yan na. Marie lover yan siya, Marie lover.
Yes, anak.
I thought you want food again.
Malamig yan sa'yo. Yay! Give me your money. Yay!
Teacher that now only. Give me your money.
It's a prank!
Yung mga bata sa school, give me your money. Ang ganyan na, yay!
Maybe you stay here first, ha? We go for drive. Daddy will teach how, Daddy will have a test drive around the park. Around Clark.
Ano ng bispito?
Dito sa bag. Hindi, nandito yung milk niya. Paano mo milk? Bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye, Monty. Bye-bye. Yan na. Ayan na. Uy, ayan na mamansin sa akin. She will not cry. She love tita. Ay, naku. Hindi ko mahanap yung stabilizer ng aking camera na to. Hindi ko alam kung saan siya hanapin. Yung isa kong cellphone, meron yung stabilizer, yung tipong hindi nagsishakey. Ito nagsishakey to. Hindi ko alam. Kasi pag nag-ano ko, shaky siya. So mag-test drive muna kami habang nandoon sila sa park. Kalibre yung isa kasi may car yung aking kapatid. So, first time niya mag-drive dito. Kasama ako. Kinakabahan me. Ay, nagigigil ako sa aking video. Shaky. Which one?
What is that? That is oats? That rolls?
No, that's... Oh yeah, I think so. Kung ano-ano kasi sinusubong. Tinabak. Ano ba yung pork? Pork yata din yun. Hindi ko na makalakot chicken yun. Alam mo yung... Ano ba tawag kasi no, yung kinakain niya? Ayun, yung binta ni Kuya doon. Binta ni Kuya doon. Chicharong bulaklak ba yan? Ano ba yung tawag niya? Bawal. Hindi kasi ito kumakain ng pork ngayon. Sabi ko, kainin mo kasi maanghang yung sauce. Ako sana kakain kasi nga gusto ko yung maasim. Abay, maanghang yung sauce. Di pinakain ko sa kanya. Tapos nga nagtatanong siya kung pork. Kumain na naman siya ng pork. Hindi siya kumakain ng pork eh. Ay nako. So, let's do this. Ay, sana all sexy. Sana all may ganyan na confidence kay ate. Kung nakabra lang. Tapos tatakbo. Sana all. Okay. This is the exit there, babe.
I know.
Babe, don't drive too fast.
I'm not even 10 kilometers till now. Jesus Christ.
You scare me.
Yes, you started to scare me.
Just drive slow.
This is 20 kilometers.
That's okay. Parehas kaming matataba. Dubai. Don't you have that like there?
Dubai?
Back home?
No, nowhere else it is. First stop, first go. Nobody else. It's only first time here. It's not the UK. It's not the US.
Why don't you have like sometimes?
Give way. It says give way, but that is the priority. If you're in the line that you have to give way, you have to give way.
Now, for instance, like this one here. See, it's first stop, first to go.
Yes, no. See, he stopped first,
Yeah,
so he has to go.
yeah,
Okay. Now he stopped first over there.
yeah. He has to go first.
Then I have
done.
to go.
Yeah, for the next. That's how it works.
Weird.
Yeah, it's weird, but you have to learn that. This way, you have to wait. Let them pass first, and then we will go. There's no car behind us. There is. Babe, can you just turn off the copyright my video? That's the first thing we went there, right? We're going up just this way. We're heading to that first farm. See, there's no traffic. It's nice to drive when there's no traffic, right? But, oh my god.
You have the crazy traffic.
Yeah. But you have to learn that too when it's too traffic. I like that part because you drive too slow.
What?
The traffic. When too much traffic, you drive
Yeah,
slow.
even if there's no traffic, I drive slow. Because even in Dubai, my maximum speed was 80.
Okay, then you have to go down. You should have something on your map so we can go and visit.
What?
You should have something on your map, like we have to go somewhere else.
So once we have a car, then we can do it. Where do you want to go? Want to go Subed?
Like, if there is in a place closer than here, water is still here.
Babes, it's her car, okay?
Yeah,
She already banged her car.
Babe, don't mind, but that's my sister. My
I
sister
know, but
is.
still, it's not good. But slowly,
Yeah.
slowly.
It's a good babe. Then later when we go there now, he's like, why you're here?
We just took a round. We'll take one more round. No problem.
Let's go out of that town. Yun lang yung ginawa namin mga shots. Inikot lang namin yung park. Ang ganda ng aming test drive. Test drive lang sa test drive. That's the Clark. Ayaw niya daw munang lumayo. Ayaw niya munang lumabas kasi nahiya siya gumamit sa car ng kapatid ko. So dito lang daw muna kami sa loob ng Clark. Oh, it's your chance.
No, that's motorcycle. He stopped first.
Oh, diba, bumalik lang kami sa aming pinanggalingan. Nag-test drive yung mga malulusong. Hindi ko sana sabihin yung word kasi baka alam niya. Babe, look at us together. Look at us together. Holy moly. We need to diet, babe. It doesn't look good at all. Oh my god. Yung mga braso ko. Why I look so big here? I'm not in a bird.
Because it zoomed in, that's why.
Huh? No, it's not Zoom, babe. It's just that. It's okay. Balik Alindog program next. Yung imbis na mag-exercise, nag-drive kami tuloy. Walang may natanggal na pawis sa amin ngayong araw. Ang ganda kasi ng weather, makulimlim lang siya. So kaya nagda-drive lang kami. Tapos na kami sa aming drive. Yun lang. It's a quick drive only. Look at tong isa. Ayan niyang lumabas. And look at Ellen Bell. Oh my God. Ayana is still awake. She don't even have a nap.
She napped before we coming over here.
Yeah, but it's not that long. No, she's still awake. I thought she's going to take a nap. Yes, good. Because I don't have much sleep last night. Akala ko natulog yan, te. Gutom na, gutom. Yan na, baby. Hi. Hi. She's smiling. Hi, my baby Yana. How are you? I thought you were sleeping. Huh? You don't sleep.
700 kilometers?
Yung car mo daw hindi pa nakatakbo ng malayo.
No, that's why I want you to go.
Ah.
Only in the school and go only here. The car needs to,
Nag-drive kami, umikot lang din kami sa park. Nag-drive kami.
That's our car. Kailangan na tumakbo yung car na yun ng malayo. Uy, oh.
Oh, wait. Daming tao ngayon sa park. Daming mga player. Itong mga to, ano sila? Ibang lahi. Dito. Daming tao dito ngayon. Doon sa park din marami. Stars. All stars. Oh, mga itim oh.
Yaan mo kuya, huwag mo napatulas.
Mukha ni Malia. No, give some water, kuya. Give some water. You want Coke? What do you want? You want chicken? Oh, go get it. Ah, gusto na yung ano balat. She wants the skin. Yeah.
Kabay na may hugas-hugas.
Hindi, gusto niya yan. Gusto niya.
Balat ng chicken.
Yeah, it's like Ate Nicole. She like the skin.
Yun yung masarap.
Nandiyan yung oil. Masarap.
Oh, mga bata pa kayo. Oily kasi. Ay, naghirap pa doon. Ay, adbalong tuloy. Babol.
Ayun, ang laki.
Laki.
Ayan yan sana. Ibibigay ko kay Malia eh. Hindi ko nahanap kasi.
Wow.
How's your karaoke, Malia? They still warm? Oh, you broke it na? You broke your karaoke? The one that I gave it to you. Where is it? The karaoke? At home? Ah, wala na yata. Sinira niya yata. Wala na siyang pakialam. One day lang pala yun.
And the bag.
Yeah, where is it?
In the bag. My mom's bag.
The karaoke? I don't think so. Ay nako, palubat na ako. Talasa na mga mata kung asaan sila. Hinahanap namin sila Shay kung saan sila.
Lalayo ka na naman.
Wala. Hapon na, pauwi na kami.